Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you an overview and information on my experiences in ordering, using, and receiving these great Gorilla Grip sheet straps for my bed that I got on Amazon. If you're watching this, chances are you have a problem with your fitted sheet coming up on the corners just like I do. It is a pain having to fix the sheets over and over and over again. It doesn't matter what kind of sheet it is. It doesn't matter what the mattress has on it. It doesn't matter the topper. It doesn't matter the style of mattress. The sheets seem to always come up on the corners. That's why I gave Gorilla Grip a try, and they have changed everything for me. No longer do I find myself having to fix the corners of the flat sheet over and over again in between washings. The pack comes with 4. They attach in a Y formation. Let me show you how.
This can literally be done in a snap, just like putting on a pair of suspenders. You unclasp everything, then you clasp on the corner first, then you stretch it out as far as you can on each side, and you set it right back down, and it's good to go.
And like I said, they stay on the corners in between washings. No longer do I find myself having to fix my fitted sheet. So if you're looking for a way to keep your sheets on your bed where they're supposed to be, I highly recommend that you give Gorilla Grip a look. They work for me. Maybe they'll work for you as well.